All right, Ace. What do we got behind us, buddy? Huh? We have a 10 by 20 in the Grove, right? We just did an interview with the neighbor here. I wanted to let you know this is for sale for $68,900 in the Grove, 2 years free rent. We're gonna go inside and show you the entire inside, what it looks like. Now, Tom,
Yep.
skirting,
Yep.
what goes with this house?
Skirting. All right.
You told me.
Skirting,
Yep.
a deck, and it's going to be stuccoed inside and out. So it'll
Is it
be.
a covered deck?
I don't think we're covering the 10 by 20s. I don't think we
We'll
are.
have to check and see.
We'll check and see, but I know for sure 100% deck, skirting, stucco inside and out, and 100% finished. Right now they just have a cover on the screws, but
Good deal.
yeah.
All right.
So it'll have all the trim will be painted white on the exterior, and then this one has a light gray stucco.
Nice. This is a beautiful home. This floor plan has been a big popular design for us. Big living room. Let's go inside and see. But remember, it's a stucco. We already got the color. If they buy it, they can change the
We
color.
have it. It's light gray.
Light gray.
It's going to be white trim and light gray stucco. It's going
All
to
right.
look awesome.
Come on in here, everybody. We're gonna flip this parking area. It goes really over there.
Yeah. It'll have a big 8 by 16 deck in the front.
8 by 16 deck. Now they're huge. We've got them all up and long down through here. The reason it's hard to put a roof on is because if we attach it here, you won't have headroom to get up in the porch. So come on in here. Man, they've already cleaned these things beautifully. This is already stuccoed.
Yeah.
All right.
So the inside's done.
Oh, I love this design. This has been a big popular design. I always talk about how big this room is. We're looking at probably over 100 square feet just in this room. I live in an 8 by 16 in Credibox at 128 square feet. But you got ample plug. There's 2 here, 2 there, big picture window, right? Of course, you guys know this is a Grove. It's a tract housing development. They're really tight, close together, and it was designed that way. So you got this big room here. You come over here is your kitchen. And remember, these walls are already finished. It's stucco. All right? And this is an ESP panel home. It does have the mini split. It's ready. It has a mini split, water heater, full kitchen, bathroom. So this is your cooktop, range hood, microwave, butcher block countertop. And this is a huge sink. This is a farm style sink. It's 30-inch farm style sink. Hey, buddy.
Comes with Ace.
Ace, you're just like, he's just laid back today. Yeah.
So water heater.
Yep, water heater under there. It's your electric water heater. And right here is where your refrigerator goes. So if you get now this is better than 30 inches. It could take a full size. The only thing is it's going to come out in front of your sink if you get a full size fridge, all right? I suggest a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. It has a freezer on the top and bottom. Dorothy over there in the prairie a couple videos back, she bought one. It actually had 1/3 of the part was freezer, 2/3 bottom fridge, and it looked awesome. All right, you know what they also did is she put a washer and dryer drawer. You know how you get them stackable washer full size? She put a drawer and then put her fridge on top of that. So that's a good suggestion. Okay, your bathroom is a 32-inch shower, washer and dryer hookup. Now, of course, it's under the stairs. It's made for a combination washer and dryer, not a stackable, of course. 32-inch shower, and you have exhaust fan, your toilet, of course, window, and all that. But it's a nice size bathroom, and where I'm standing can be a closet, right? So if you take your washer and dryer, it's 24 inches here, and then you've got this that you can add shelving, whatever furniture you guys can put in here. I know IKEA, and a lot of ladies out here are just buying some really cool stuff. So there's room in here to still do it, decorate it yourself. All right, and remember, we have staircase right here that goes up to the bedroom. Hey, buddy. Now the trim is not urethane, all right? So we left it that way because a lot of ladies, they want to stain it, they might want to paint it, you might want to do something with it. So we've left it unfinished. The walls are already completely done. And Tom, if you want to, I'll just talk while you go up there and show them the loft. The staircase, the risers, so as you walk up the steps, it's not too tall. They're all about 7.5 inches tall. And in that loft up there is 10 by 8. It can take care of a full size, what do you call it? King size mattress up there. 2 egress windows, so there's a good cross ventilation. And when you run this mini split, I'm telling you right now, you direct these vanes on this mini split, it'll blow right into that loft. These are so awesome. Of course, you got your ceiling fan to move your air. So when it comes to heating and cooling, of course, our ESP panels are self-insulated, closed cell polyurethane, closed cell foam. We've never had one issue about anybody saying I'm too hot, too cold, and it's not efficient enough, right?
Right.
So this is 68.9 stuccoed. We're gonna paint it, or we're gonna stucco the outside,
Yep.
a light gray. Comes with an 8x16 deck, fully skirted underneath it. 2 years free rent. It's a full home ready to move in. So if you're interested in that, email us at sales@incredibletinyhomes.com. Give us a call, go on our website, and we'll be able to, and this is ready to move in. We've already got the water, power, sewer all hooked up. We sold 72 of these in 3 weeks. We've had a couple people, their life have changed. Things happen, right? And so we said, hey, we can turn around. We've had a lot of folks had a waiting list to get in here. So if you're interested, please act now. This is a Friday right now. So we'll be posting this evening. If you email us, we'll be able to check our emails over the weekend. All right. So good luck. Hope you can come here and stay with us here in Newport, Tennessee at our beautiful community, The Grove. And while I'm looking outside, just to let you know, there are privacy fences between every home. We're going to put some nice blooming deciduous trees in the corner that's hopefully in about 8 to 10 years, I'm assuming that they'll be able to grow over the road. And it's going to be lush. We got flowers coming. Grass, fences, all that stuff. So you guys hang on. If you want to be a part of The Grove, 2 years free rent, give us a call. That sounds like a sales page, Tom.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys.